17, I wanted everything that was in store. At 23, I bought it all just to make sure. Yeah.
Good morning, guys and girls. It is currently 8 a.m. and today we're flying to New York. So I'm gonna take y'all with me, show you what my day looks like, and basically everything about it. All right, everything's fully closed. I'm gonna miss this place. Let's head to New York. You excited?
Yeah.
Why do you have so many luggages?
Honestly, we're bringing 4 luggages. 2 of them are empty because we're going shopping.
Okay, so we're on our way to the airport and I have a confession to make. I originally ordered an Uber and it was like a old white SUV and I was like, I'm not paying Premier for that. So I went to Lyft and I ordered a Tahoe just because I fuck with Tahoes. And I know it's not just me, but it's like, if I'm ordering a Premier service, I want a black SUV.
Did you notice that Shopify didn't change how they look for Black Friday? Like they always change it and they didn't this year.
Oh yeah. But they don't, wait, they launched the Globe thing. The Globe.
That's it?
Yeah.
I thought it usually looks different.
So as you guys know, it's like Black Friday and we're like $5,000 in sales and it's like 8 a.m. So we're hoping for a big day. Obviously we scaled a lot of the stuff, but transparently this year we had so many issues with influencers, editors, and things like supply chain. And Margarita dropped it in her last video, so if you guys haven't watched that, go watch it because it's so valuable. But it's like leading up to Black Friday was a mess, and transparently we're just trying to do our best right now.
Romanticizing this because it won't be forever.
What are you referring to?
The airport.
And it's crazy because you guys will see us go from commercial to chartering flights. I mean it, one day. All right, so we made it past the lounge and I'm over here just scaling some last Black Friday ads. They were performing insanely well for our store. So right now we're just increasing budgets and duplicate. It's kind of like printing money at this point. So I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of our ads. There's Margarita. This is our ads. So as you guys can see, Black Friday ads, there's a lot of ads that are just performing like 9, 12, 7, 3, 10 ROAS. So yeah, we're gonna definitely increase the budget on those and scale this thing. Okay, so we just finished launching all the ads and we also launched a Black Friday Cyber Monday sale for Elite Ecom. If you guys don't know, Elite Ecom is literally the best educational program for e-commerce. This is the program we made to teach people about e-commerce and literally learn our photo beeper. And to be honest, it's had $10 million in tracked student success. So I would say it's pretty dang good. So now all I gotta post is a couple stories and get to traveling. And I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of our program, but it's pretty dope. I mean, look at this landing page, it's insane. But of course, it's really the program where we teach people how to make money online with dropshipping. Here are some of the bonuses that we offer for Black Friday. So by the time you guys watch this video, it's probably too late, but at least you guys get to see it in action. And the craziest thing about this program is that we've literally joined other e-commerce programs, and the value that you get for 7, 10 grand, or even $15,000 is uncomparable to what we provide inside of Elite Ecom. And the real reason is our community. It is unstoppable. Like, we literally give away winning products. We talk in there. We have Q&As. We bring in experts. And honestly, it's leading the e-commerce wave. Like, bro, I cannot even make this up. These are just some of the wins in the recent community. It's pretty insane. It's nonstop and it's active. Like, we have people literally in there every single day. Like, someone said Happy Black Friday. Like, it's crazy active. Our Q&A calls go insane. Like, you can't find something like this in an educational program. And by the way, it's probably going to be closed by the time you guys watch this video. But if you guys want more information on our program, you can check out the first link in the description. Made it on the plane. You guys know that meme of like people that sit in first class and then they look at everyone else walking in? Like, here's how the day is going. So we're at like $12,000
and it's 12:41. So yeah, I'm about to hop in the ads manager and just scale these things.
So we just landed in LaGuardia, New York.
What's the first thing that two people from Florida do as soon as they get to New York?
They put on their big black puffer jacket.
Literally inside the airport is already freezing. Oh my god.
Alright, so I think it's time I fill you guys in to literally the first time we went to New York and how crazy it was. Do you remember the first time we went to New York?
Yes, it was 2019 and we had just started doing business together, and this was our first like big trip out of Tampa together. So we came, but we couldn't afford to stay in New York. So we stayed in Long Island, like pretty close. We just had a short walk to the subway and we could make it to like the city really quickly. And honestly, that was one of my favorite trips together. But when we were here, we ended up getting a payment hold and we couldn't pay for anything anymore. So we had to take the first flight back home.
Yeah, but it was like our first taste of like that digital freedom, because we were making, I don't even know how much money we were making. It was like maybe $3-4 grand a day in revenue.
Oh, in revenue.
Yeah,
like
in
not
revenue.
profit.
Yeah, and then we were making like $700, $800, or sometimes even $1,000 a day in profit. So we were doing really good for that time. And I remember us just like literally a couple years ago just being like so sad that we had to go back home. It was crazy.
But after that, we made it a tradition that every Black Friday we come to New York.
Yeah, every single Black Friday we come to New York, we enjoy it, we live it up, and that's just part of our thing now. And honestly, a big reason is because obviously we dropship, like we do e-commerce. We can literally run our business from anywhere in the world, and that's the beauty. All right, we're here.
I'm so happy.
Check this out. Let's go. It's so beautiful.
All right, you guys. I'm about to help Leo with the ads.
No, she's not.
We're about to look at the ads, and I'm going to help make the decisions.
She's not gonna look at the ads, and she's not gonna help me make the decisions.
As long as you scale, I don't care.
Yo, if she touched the ads, them shits would. I'm sorry. I didn't mean
That's
that.
not
I'm sorry.
Well, if you touched other things, they would do that too.
Like what?
The vibe.
All right, so we just made it to the plaza. This has always been a dream of mine, staying here after watching Home Alone. So stay here in a terrace suite, whatever. A whatever suite is sick and it's dope. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's so interesting that like the wealth here in New York is old stuff, or like, I guess like vintage stuff. But yeah, it's pretty dope. What are you doing over there?
There's the little things about being rich that people don't talk about.
The fact that you're about to go crazy in that mini bar. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of La Plaza bathroom, which is super famous. It's well known. All right, guys, so that was a wrap for the day. We got home last night and absolutely knocked out because we were just so tired. And yeah, we just pretty much kicked in and did a little bit of work. But it's a brand new day, so I'm gonna go out there and enjoy it, go shopping, actually do the things that we said we were gonna do, and live it up in New York. So again, if you guys like these type of videos, make sure you drop a like, make sure you drop a comment on what kind of videos you wanna see from me in the future, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.